What is up, you guys? So I'm just going to be showing you guys the products that I'm going to be using to bleach this wig, okay? So the first thing you're going to need is a bleaching bowl. You can use either a bowl like this or any bowl that you have in your home. And then you're going to need some developer. I am using the Clairol Professional 40 volume developer. Normally I use like a smaller number or a less intense developer, which I'm about to go to the store in a few minutes to get some more developer because I literally have like a little bit in each bottle. It's like probably this much in each bottle. So this is definitely not going to be enough for what I'm trying to do. But I just wanted to show you guys that you're going to need developer. And then you're going to need whichever bleach you decide to use. I am going to be using the Clairol Professional BW2 bleach. And when I bleach hair, I like to use the products that are like in the same company. I don't want to be mixing, you know, weird stuff, okay? The next product that you're going to need are some gloves. You definitely want to protect your hands during this bleaching process because you can actually bleach your skin on accident. So I definitely think you should have gloves. Okay, so you guys will see in the next clip what I'm talking about. So these are the Shimmer Light shampoo and conditioners. This is like the key to having nice blonde hair that's not super yellow, orange, and all that. It basically tones your hair because the shampoo and conditioner is actually purple. But when I bleach the hair, I actually put a little bit of the Shimmer Lights conditioner in there just to neutralize it, like just to neutralize the bleach going onto the hair, so it can already be neutralizing before I have to really neutralize it. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying because it's really hard to explain, but you guys will see what I'm talking about when I do it. But yeah. And last but not least, you're going to need any type of paddle brush you would like to use. I'm probably going to be using both of these because of the effect that I'm trying to get. I don't know if you guys can really see the brush just because the light is actually shining towards me and not, you know, away from me or whatever, because I'm sitting in front of the window. But you're going to need any kind of paddle brush. This is a dimming brush actually, and this one is just like a paddle brush that I got from like a beauty supply store or something like that. And yeah, that's pretty much all of the items you will need, and then your wig or your hair or whatever you're going to use. Okay, you guys, so since I've been working with Unice for like a few times now, like it's been about 3 or 4 videos that I've done, I finally decided to really put their hair to the test. I never bleached their hair because I was just like wanting to wear my hair dark or black or whatever, but now that it's the summertime, and I always decided to go lighter during the summer for some reason. Even when I was in like high school, I used to go blonde. Well, actually I was blonde the whole year, so that doesn't really count. But I do like to go lighter during the summer, and I like to wear my hair dark during like the winter and fall and stuff like that. For some reason, I don't know why, but I just like to do that. So this time I decided to put their hair to the test to see how well it bleaches, and you guys will see by the end of the video how the hair bleaches. Like, I mean, there's not really a lot to explain, but I did want to come on here and tell you guys that I do not necessarily go by the bottle, like what the bleach says, how many scoops of powder you're supposed to use and how much developer you're going to use. I've been bleaching my hair for like years now, so I know how much powder and how much developer I want to use because I know the consistency that I like to use. But if you're a beginner, I would definitely go by what, you know, the product says to use. I wouldn't, you know, try to do it yourself because you can easily end up using too much product. I'm over here getting tongue-tied. But yeah, you can just tell. Like, I can always tell what consistency I like mine to be. Not too thick, not too loose, more of like a toothpaste consistency. The same with, you know, when you're bleaching the knots on your wig. So another thing I forgot to mention, you always want to use the products that go together. So like I'm using the Clairol Professional Developer and the bleaching powder. You just want to make it easier for you because Sometimes when you use different companies' products and you mix them together, they weren't made to be used together, so you might not get the best result. So unless you know for sure that, you know, different companies, those products mix well, I would definitely recommend you using the products that are made for each other. I'm now using the Shimmer Lights conditioner in my powder because I've learned this technique, and I just put a little bit of the conditioner in there, and it basically neutralizes the hair to begin with, rather than bleaching the hair and then it's orange and then you have to worry about getting all the orange out and the brassiness. You can just go ahead and cancel that out in the beginning. So that's one of my techniques that I started doing. And then I also use the Shimmer Lights conditioner and shampoo after I'm done bleaching the hair. So you guys can try that out and let me know down below if it worked out for you. I would love to know if my techniques are working for other people or if it's just me, okay? But now I am putting some of the bleach on the hair and I'm just brushing it through. I've also learned that with this technique, you won't get those straight lines like you would with a bleaching brush, if you know what I'm saying. The brush, you know, I can't even explain it to you guys. Not a paddle brush, but the bleaching brush, like the brush that you use to put color on hair that they use at, you know, the hair salons and stuff. I learned that those can put lines and like stuff in your hair. So the brush way is just easier for me. So that's just why I do it this way. As you guys can see right here, the hair is already starting to change. So this hair like literally turned within 10 minutes. Like I bleached the hair, I walked away for 10 minutes, came back, and the hair was blonde. I was like, okay, I didn't realize that it was going to bleach that fast. So you guys, this hair bleaches fast. You don't have to worry about it having a process for 40 and 50 minutes, an hour, 30. Like, you don't have to worry about that, because as soon as you put this product on this hair, it is gonna start turning. So okay, you guys, so I decided to go back in. I went to the store, came back, and got, you know, to it, okay? So I decided to go back in with some more of the same bleach and powder, but this is the 30 volume developer, so that means it's going to process a little bit slower. I knew I was going to do multiple bleachings on this hair, so I decided to go with a not as aggressive developer this time. Just because I didn't want to burn the hair out. So here I am, just, you know, going back into the hair the same way I did with the beginning of the video. Y'all, I keep getting tongue-tied when I'm talking, okay? So yeah, I'm just going in with the bleach and stuff, and then after about, I think I let the hair sit for 30 minutes. Yeah, probably 30 minutes. I think it took a little bit longer. So I'll let the hair sit for 30 minutes, and then you're gonna see where I just went ahead and rinsed it out, and it was the blonde color that you guys are gonna see at the end of the video. Okay, you guys, so this is pretty much the finished product. I'm going to use the Shimmer Light shampoo and conditioner, and that will be the last step of this process. And as you guys can see, this hair bleached so well, so perfectly. I love it. I didn't have any problems with it turning orange or anything like that. So their hair is approved by me, especially with bleaching. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Mwah.